Beginning in 1975, the Hmong people faced an especially difficult challenge. Few people suffered as deeply from the wars that tore apart Southeast Asia, where Hmong soldiers fought bravely alongside Americans. Few people faced a more difficult journey than the one that brought you to our shores. The passage to America was arduous, as was the passage to full membership in a society very different from Laos. But you persevered and triumphed with courage, dignity, and the strong sense of community that joins you today. That triumph has inspired all Americans. Today, Hmong communities are thriving in California, the Midwest, and many other places. Hmong businessmen and women are prospering in a wide variety of pursuits. They're among doctors, lawyers, soldiers, teachers, and politicians. While preserving the best traditions of the past, Hmong families are preparing their children for a future of limitless possibilities. That is truly the American way.